Hey guys, it's Carrie here with the FFL Consultants, and I wanted to come and create a quick little video about something that was in shot business just this last month. So there was an article called Why Facebook Sucks. So just so you guys know, it's nothing bad. I actually want to jump in and add a little bit to it. I'm actually the person who wrote this article for the NSSF. And I wanted to create just a little quick video that helps you guys understand really what I'm talking about even more deeply in that article. So again, the video is called Why Facebook Sucks. We hear it all the time from FFLs that Facebook is censoring our businesses, that we are having all of these different issues. So I kind of want to tell you why I think you really have to still make friends with Facebook, okay? Did you guys know that there are now 2.8 billion people on Facebook? Now, you might think, how many of those are fake profiles and how many people really log in? So that's what I'm going to explain to you a little bit more, which is what is really hopefully going to solidify how powerful Facebook is for your business. So actually, every month there are 2.3 billion individual logins. So that means 2.3 billion people log in at least one time a month. Okay, once a month. That's still not a whole lot, right? How many people log in every single day? This might actually shock you. It is actually more than half the people that log in monthly. It is just over 1.5 billion people log into Facebook every single day. I think it is absolutely crazy. So here's some other little facts on Facebook. Guys, this is still the third largest site in the world. As far as traffic goes, it gets so much traffic that even its traffic is the third largest in the world. People are on this constantly. So, and it's not stagnant. Facebook is actually still growing, but realistically, some of the largest groups on Facebook are those people between really 30 and over 60, which is pretty awesome because we know business-wise that they are the ones that usually have the money to go ahead and spend. So I think that's pretty important. I love this fact too. 155 friends. That's how many friends the average person on Facebook has. So everything they are posting, sharing, there is the potential for that to go out to all of those people. Also, I'm going to say honestly, as a marketer who's been in business for 23 years, we have never seen the opportunity in marketing or business growth to be able to reach people the way we are able to today on social media. And Facebook has really pioneered that. They're the ones who have just knocked this out of the park and given us every way possible to pinpoint target our people, our tribe. I brought this up in the article, but I want you guys to understand that Facebook actually creates nothing except access to their users. And that is why it's so important that we as business owners create a great experience for those people that we're trying to get to our posts. More people are going to see those posts. The more people are going to interact, the more they see. And it is just a really positive vicious cycle. So be entertaining. Get people to stay on longer because of what you're doing. And Facebook is going to reward you. Guys, I'm going to say this. This is a little bit controversial, but Facebook really is not out there waving the, censorship, no guns, get rid of guns banner. They are actually creating rules for a worldwide platform that works for the entire world. We have a unique situation in our country because of the Second Amendment, because of what our country was built on, that most other countries don't have. I'm going to go into depth in just a minute about some of the other things that get banned because they're considered violent, and hope that sheds a little bit of light on why we as FFLs can still get people into our business without promoting what Facebook considers violence. I want to talk to you real quick about how to get ads approved. That was something that I talked about in this article that I wrote. I think it's incredibly important that you learn the verbiage that Facebook is actually using, both on firearms and the promotion of violence. Below, I will go ahead and put some links directly to those. They're actually really small parts, and I do think that there can be some interpretation in them, but it's fairly clear within reason. And if you keep to that, you are going to be able to promote your business. We're promoting business. We're not necessarily promoting the use or promoting violence or the use of firearms. The other thing that I want you to do is, moving forward, you are never going to create an ad that sends traffic to your website. Your website promotes the purchase of firearms, guys. If you create an ad that follows the rules, but you send that traffic to a place that doesn't follow the rules, it is gone. They are not going to approve you. So I use a standalone landing page for every one of my clients that is an FFL. That is also what I teach. It is just a good practice in general with ads anyway. And that website needs to have its own URL. You can purchase one URL that works wording wise, is simple, and just use that. It's going to be worth that $15 extra a year. Guys, don't portray violence at all. And this was something I had brought up earlier. So it's not just firearms that get shut down, guys. It is a lot of stuff that gets shut down on Facebook because of those community standards. So I have actually had clients come to me because their ads for massage therapy get shut down. Because here's the reality. I looked at their ads, and at first I was thinking, oh, I don't see anything. And then I saw redness on the skin because of the type of massage it was. That is actually considered violence. So, Facebook isn't just out to get you guys. They just don't want anything that portrays violence. Again, absolutely nothing that you can do can lead directly to the purchase of a firearm or ammunition or any banned items. So what do? Guys, get creative. You know your clients better than anybody else. And what you really need to do is think about what gets them going, what gets them in. It isn't always buying a firearm. Sometimes it can be a safety class. Sometimes it can be a free workshop. It might be a cleaning kit. It might be a lot of different things. But what I want you to do is get creative. That's what's really going to make a difference in you promoting your business and getting some traffic out there. I hope that helps, guys. Have you ever wanted to give us a call? We're the FFL Consultants, and we are here for you guys all the time. Not only do we help with marketing and all of the stuff that I love, which is about growing your business, but we help with compliance and keeping your store secure and making sure your staff is running everything in a way that doesn't get your license taken away. We offer free calls to everybody in the FFL community. If you haven't been able to jump on a call with us, go ahead and go to our website at www.fflconsultants.com. And right at the top of the page, it says I believe it says something like connect with the FFL consultant, something like that. Go ahead and click that and sign up for a free call with any one of us. You can even talk to me, or you can talk to JB, or you can talk to JC. We're here and we're really passionate about what you're doing in your business. So let us be a part of your journey.